Welcome again, every viewer worldwide. First, me always a show a green farm, you know, me stay with the culture, country lifestyle, live and direct. Today, I'm gonna do some repairing on my kitchen, my outdoor kitchen, because you know, me don't really have an official kitchen. Just the farm kitchen, my viewers worldwide. So, we have a pack a stone wall, enough facelift my kitchen. Lenny is here today along with Richie. They are the workmen, they are the expert on stone packing, stone wall packing. So if you need your stone wall to pack, you got to check. I'll leave a comment on the video and we can just get in touch with Richie, I should say. So my viewers worldwide, welcome to my channel. Wherever you are viewing from, I must say big up every Jamaican in the house. Big up Africa, America, Australia, Canada, UK, Asia. Meet Lenky. Lenky is here. See there, we're digging out the foundation. Got the foundation, we're digging out. See the workman here. Lenky. First time on YouTube, my viewers, please meet him. Lenny.
Yes, man, first time.
Lenny, I should say Lenny. First time on YouTube. Look at the dirt. Very rich in my kitchen. Imagine this is my kitchen, my viewers worldwide. Look at the soil. It's backside soil, backside dirt. So we have to dig out a foundation to start repack my kitchen. Remember my famous kitchen, my viewers, you always see this little spot. She got me the man from Montego Bay. You always are taking all them key in here. Look at my kitchen. We are get a facelift, my viewers. Every viewer worldwide. Please meet Richie now, my viewers worldwide. This is Richie. Richie. Yes, my viewers, this is Richie. Please meet Richie. The stone man, from Bagwalk, man. You see how the man tick, my viewers, all them girls watching all over the world. Look at him, Jamaican strong men who drink all the mountain sap. You can check out the video with the mountain sap and all of the health benefits videos them, you know. And the man here have power. When you look at the man, you see power and strength, Jamaican men. Yes, first time on YouTube, the world gonna see them on YouTube. So everybody Africa, no big up the man in Africa, and all them people in Nigeria, down at Accra, Ghana, man like Asawa, no big him up.
Look up my brethren, yes, look up Jamaica, look up Kingston, yes Africa, Ghana, yes look up Kojak country lifestyle. Kojak country lifestyle. Country life is so nice. Yeah, ow.
Lot of rock stone, my viewers. This is part one, you know, my viewers. I hope you follow to see the progress of my new kitchen. The stone wall. It's almost Christmas and now. I think by my birthday, if it come up again, December 10th will be my earth day. My earth day must be ready before December 10th. Man, not rough, you call that what tool you no call that, my viewers. I'm not gonna tell you, no leave a comment and see if you can guess what you call that tool that the man is working with. Please leave it in the comment section and see who can get it right. I must say thanks everyone for watching part one. Please look out for more videos like tomorrow again down the road. I will just continue upload videos. One love from Jamaica.